Hello, this is Joy your buddy and I am back with another video. This time I am going to review a windshield glass washer that comes in the form of tablets. Yeah, you heard me right. These are the tablets when mixed with water can help you clean most of the glass surfaces. Now, according to the manufacturer, this product is a high-performance cleaning agent that not only cleans the car windshields but can also come handy in household glass and metal cleaning and removing dust, removing natural stains, fingerprints and so on. Talking about the pricing and availability, it is available on most of the online website for $2 to $3. I personally ordered this from China for less than $1 and it took almost a month and a half to arrive. The main ingredients that goes in making these tablets are sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, active enzymes and polymer lubricants which adds lubricating effect on the wiper rubber skin and giving it more life. So, without any further ado, let's go ahead and see if they are as effective as it claims to be. It is pretty easy to use. And there are multiple ways through which these can be used, but I would share two best and most easy ways which you can easily adopt. So, Method 1. Open the car hood and look for the windshield cleaner bottle and drop 1 or 2 tablets and top up with water. Ideally, 1 tablet would require at least a liter of water to work best. In most of the cars, the windshield clearer bottle comes with 1 to 2 liters capacity, which means you can drop 2 tablets in one go, but you can take a call depending on how much water is already there, and how much more you want to add. That's it. Once done, you are good to go and is ready to use. Let's look at the method 2, shall we? Now, the method 2. I personally prefer as it ensures the concentrates mix as well, so let's look at the actual video which I shot with the method 2. These tablets come in a small packet with some Mandarin written at top, which I surely cannot understand. I actually thought that I too would find the tablets inside, but it seems due to moisture and humidity they have turned into powder. Never mind. I am going to use them anyways by mixing this powder into the bottle. Give it a good mix and you're ready to go. Now, it's time to pour the concentrate in the cleaning bottle, so let's do it. Now that the concentrate has mixed well in the cleaning bottle, let's try and clean the windshield. It's not that dirty though. But I am sure it's good enough to test the product, and to give you a high-level demo. So, as you can see, the blue liquid has some foamy effect and it looks like it is indeed cleaning the glass by removing the dirt. Honestly speaking, I think it did a good job and quite better than the other water-based solutions in the market. It's just that, if it is not used for some time, the tablets would turn moist and turn into powder like mine. Anyways, let me know in the comment section below what you feel about this product, and if you have used this in the past or planning to use it in near future. This is Joy your buddy signing off for now. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Cheers.